What's going on, guys? We're going to take a little technical analysis look at Tesla. So if you are looking to learn how to trade stocks or options, you guys really need to understand, kind of all of the moving parts that come along with technical analysis, day trading, scalping, so forth and so forth. If my chart looks very, very confusing to you, it's designed to be, right? Not only just to you, but it's designed to be confusing, because what we want to do, if I can make this very simple, is to color in between the lines. You ever remember when you were a kid and they said, stay in the lines, color in between the lines? Each one of these lines is a different moving part. It's a different moving average. It's a different supply and demand zone. If you believe in technical analysis, then you're going to believe in the theory that stocks are going to trade from supply to supply and then demand to demand. So when we lose an area of demand, we would be looking to kind of capitalize on that state between the lines and trade into the next demand zone. When we reclaim a level of supply, if there's room to move up to the next supply without knocking our heads right away, then we kind of want to stay in between the lines and color into the next supply zone. With that being said, I know that we still have just about an hour and a half before the market closes, but if we kind of take a look at the broad picture on Tesla, not a good day today, okay, in the overall markets together. NASDAQ 100 down 330 points. What I kind of want to look at here today, Tesla is below all of the moving averages, the 20, the 5, and the 10, okay? These are all the shortest and nearest term sentiments, supply zones that we would need to be over for there be maximum potential to run higher. If we go back and look at yesterday's high price, Tesla put in very nice moves yesterday, presented fantastic opportunities to catch some trades. However, we ran right into a supply zone of the linear regression channel 50, and that channel line was just about $800, give or take. The highest price that we came up to on Tesla yesterday was $792. So this rejection here should be worrisome. I would have cleaned up any long positions and not have held anything going into today. What I would have rather have done was take my profits from yesterday, wait for this high price to confirm, get into this channel, and I know over $800 would have room to stretch into around that $820, $827 area. That would be the potential trade. Being that we did get rejected and we kind of gapped down this morning, okay, as we opened red, we gapped down below all levels of supply. If we close here currently at around $700, Tesla is setting up for a fantastic short position next week. Any kind of bounce, any kind of pop, or any kind of hard initial washout through 700 does have room down. Now, where does it have room down? We're going to have to go to some of the smaller time frames. And first off, we're going to start with the 4-hour chart. You can kind of see the last 4-hour candle sitting down here at around 700. That's also the 50-day moving average. Currently where we stand and where we will close will be somewhere around this 50-day moving average. Now, if we get the washout through 700, the first area and potential stop is going to be around $690, and anything below 690 is definitely going to have room down to 680 as well as 671. Those are going to be the new next potential zones that we test. If we kind of just correlate that with the 1-hour time frame, you can see for the past 1, 2, 3 hours, we've held the bottom of this range. If we start taking out 700, we potentially have room down to 690 and 680. 680, I would expect the stock to get a little bit choppy, bounce around, maybe try in a recovery. And if it gets rejected, any loss below 679 is your macro flush point into the next leg down on Tesla, which has a maximum potential of a price target of around $600. Not saying that if we lose 670, 679 that we're coming down to 600, but this is the potential range that you have to play with, and as long as we stay under 680, we can trade within this range. Now, if Tesla holds this range here today and we start reclaiming levels of supply, $711 is the first area that Tesla would need to get over. 711 takes you to 716, and anything over 716 back into 723. I hope these levels help you guys. If you guys want to learn more, definitely join my Discord. If you guys are learning how to understand my strategy and how I trade, visit evolutiontraders.com. Become a lifetime member, get access to all of the training channels and the watch list and the signals in Discord. And I'll see you guys on the next video.